Hello everybody, and today I have the honor to unbox the brand new Galaxy Note 9. Alright, so here we have the box, very beautiful color, showing the yellow pen. Here we have the Galaxy Note 9 logo, and I do have the AT&T version, so I could expect a bunch of AT&T bloatware. This is the 512 gig version, so yeah, crazy storage here. Now, let's go ahead and unbox the smartphone. I'm gonna push this out of here, set this aside, and here we have some papers, probably a SIM ejection tool in here. Here we have a beautiful big Note 9. We do have the S Pen right here, USB Type-C port, as well as a headphone jack. Very weird looking screen protector. Doesn't fit the whole screen for some reason. I'm gonna set it aside for now. I'm gonna take this out of here. AT&T thing. Then we have the power brick. As you can see, it's a regular Samsung power brick. Here's the adapter from USB Type-A to Type-C. We have the 8 kg headphones or earbuds, as well as a power cord. And finally we have the tip changer for the S Pen. I'm assuming that's what it is. So here's the SIM ejection tool. Let's go ahead and take it out. SIM ejection tool, very nice. Probably have thousands of those. Well, I'm exaggerating, but still, I have a lot of those. Now here we have some terms and conditions papers, as well as some DirecTV, and just some instruction manuals and stuff like that. Now, let's get to the phone. 6.4-inch display. Try to keep it as clean as possible because it's so clean. Oh my gosh. But I will slap on a case. I do have a case as well as a screen protector so that it doesn't scratch. Based on my previous Samsung experience. Oh, there it is. Okay, we're gonna take off the edge protector. Alright, so first impressions are just like last year when I unboxed the Galaxy Note 8. But looks beautiful. The SIM doesn't work yet, but it's got a beautiful background. And let's go ahead and check out the S Pen. So, beautiful sound it makes. Very nice touch. I don't know if you could hear it, but you could actually hear it simulating as if you were pulling out a real pen. Now here's the S Pen. It looks yellow, which is an odd choice from Samsung, but I really like it. I really like the blue and yellow combination. So we do have the thing here, and it is Bluetooth controlled. So now, what I can do is press here. So let's go ahead and try drawing. So just like the Note 8, it does make a drawing sound, which is a very nice touch in my opinion. I love this sound effect. Take a listen to this. It's simulating real pencil drawing, which is very, very nice. So we could write here. So let's go ahead and try to take a picture using the S Pen, because that is something I saw during the Unpacked event. So let's take a picture of this real quick. The Note 8 camera can really make anything beautiful. It says single press would be a picture. So just took a picture. This is the hands down best display ever on a Samsung smartphone. Speakers here are Dolby Atmos. Unfortunately, I can't show this to you through a camera microphone. You just gotta believe me that these sound great. Double thumbs up for the speakers, for the camera, and a double thumbs up for the display. So that would conclude my first impressions of this beautiful smartphone. Maybe I'll make a full review if I feel like it, or I don't know. Alright, that would conclude my first impressions of this smartphone. I'll see you next time.